Hey there, just wanted to do a quick review of this laptop. So I'm helping a family member who is upgrading from this dinosaur of a laptop, which is so heavy, to this new Acer Aspire. So real quick, when it's closed, it's very thin. It's really lightweight. I do love the fact that I didn't even realize if you have a Microsoft account, it immediately just moved everything over from my family member's last computer. I set everything up, so it made it so much easier, which is great. You also can set up a PIN number if you have not done that. The dinosaur did not use a PIN number. This one does, which is great. And just a few other features. The keyboard, it's a soft touch keyboard. Now my family member is older, so they actually went to use their old keyboard. So that was nice. I could just plug it right in for them. They prefer that. The power cord, and this one I've got my family member using a wireless mouse. So we've got two USB ports, which I feel like is important. Also the HDMI. So if you want to hook it up right to your internet, my family member is just using Wi-Fi. It's just easier for them. I will say that if you need more than two USB ports, you're going to have to get a USB splitter. Anyway, it's lightweight. It was easy to use. You can peel off the little stickers if you want. I feel like the graphics are really nice. Anyway, it's a great little computer. So if you're looking for something that's a good computer and it was super easy to set up, this would definitely be an option for you.